what's up? It's Justin Crypto here, bringing you a little update on what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. I actually got a bit of a bad feedback saying that we go to 32K. Obviously, I don't really care at all. I don't care at all anyway. But let me show you guys why I think 32 might not be the number and which the number could be the actual cheat code. And for that, I have found a specific trend line. But before going into that, let's jump into the Pi cycle top indicator. All right, guys. So actually, all right, what we have unfolding for Bitcoin, for crypto, I think, is that we are exactly in this fractal where we still dipped our heads below the orange line here of the Pi cycle top indicator. For those of you who doesn't know or who don't know, this indicator always called the top for Bitcoin, and I'm pretty sure it will do it again. It called it here perfectly, there perfectly. In my first cycle here, I didn't have the balls to sell, otherwise I would have taken home a big chunk of cash. I ended up selling here, and I don't want to do this again. So I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen and where we are with the cycle. Obviously, this is a bit of speculation, but we see indication that this might become into fruition. All right, so let's jump in. I do say right now, okay, we are definitely, okay, no, this is no doubt, our cycle is pretty similar to the 2015. Just look at this kind of way that the Pi cycle is created. This is pretty similar. All right, guys, this means we will have a nice and long run up, maybe not to a too high price, but we will definitely have a cycle that is comparable to 2015-16. My call right now, guys, okay, my call is that the market cycle bottom, guys, the market cycle bottom is actually the area right here, all right, back then, and then you have dipped your head still below the Pi cycle top here one time around the area of September, October-ish, okay, September-ish. So looking at our chart right now, we have the bottom, and then we dipped our head below as well. Bottom, dipped our head below. And then what happens after the area where you dip below? And let's see which time this was. Oh lol, this is also September. What a surprise. So all we need to do right now is we know this area is this area. Cool, perfect. So we need to check what happened after. We are in here, okay? And what happens obviously is we come down and we confirm the lower band, the 111-day daily moving average, before then ripping up to the top of the green line. So the next trade would be confirmation of the 111-day DMA to the top of the other line. So let's see if that makes sense, if that might be possible. Let's zoom in. All right, okay. So here we were below, now we are above. We are above, and where is the daily moving average? Oh, it's at $35,000, okay? Remember the number, $35,000. Back in the days here, we confirmed it, but one day we were slightly below it, okay? We were slightly below it, so also keep this in mind. Now jumping back into it, zooming in, we are at a price of around $44,000 as we speak, 43 today. This is not priced in yet, so this line will come down a bit. But the daily moving average is around $34,900, $34,800, $35,000, $35,000, guys. Okay, so when I made my video saying that we are very likely to confirm prior market structure that we have built here, okay, actually, I'm sorry guys, I'm a bit sick, but I said that we are going to confirm prior market structure. Now, Pi cycle top is telling me that it's not likely gonna be 32, but 35. And now the question is why 35? And I found a trend line, and this is the simplicity of crypto and the patience that you need to become rich. I mean, that's what we all want to do, right? We want to become rich with a few simple sniper trades. And this is what I think that we will do. Okay, now let me show you what trend line we've got here and why I think that this is the actual game changer right here for this cycle. Okay, I will show you guys why I think $34,000 is the actual price. Let me just draw this line here correctly. Okay. Perfect, like this. Now we're getting close. Boom. I like to actually draw it in a way that this wick is not on the top, but boom. Okay, 1 second back here. We need to kind of make it nice. Perfect. And now we create the touch points here. So still not perfect, guys. Sorry, it takes a bit of time to actually draw that line. Lovely. But yes, okay, guys, I think that is it. I think this is it. I think this is the cheat code that we needed. And I think that this is something like, okay, something like an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, it's not the most beautiful one, but it definitely is something like inverse head and shoulders. And you definitely can see one thing. We broke out of it. We never confirmed it. We never confirmed the breakout. And I think that this is the market structure based on this touch point, and those two touch points that we will need to confirm. So coming down here for Bitcoin to an area of, and now see how funny it is, 34,900, 35,000. This is the perfect confluence with our pi cycle top indicator before ripping higher, before actually going into a bit more of a parabolic phase, and entering the new year, and actually entering the new chapter of crypto, or for crypto here. That is what I think is going to happen, and it makes sense for me. It makes sense. I mean, looking at the logic that we are right now in this area where we dipped our head below. Okay, we dipped our head below, and now we are due to pull back to this exact band, which is right now at 35. This trend line is the trend line that actually plays the game here, right? Okay, we never confirmed it, and we might be coming back to confirm this exact inverse head and shoulders, which usually I like an inverse head and shoulders to be a bit more like this. Okay, something like this. This is the ones where I go in with big long positions when I see something like that, but it can be, the resistance can be also ascending, so it's not a problem. But guys, draw this trend line, take this point, take those two touch points, and wait patiently. Okay, more or less, I think it will take us this month, next month, to actually get there. But if you are patient and you hold your capital, this is your $1 million entry. And also altcoins will very likely explode from here. So make sure you wait patiently, guys. Draw this trend line yourself. Keep watching it, okay? Keep watching it, keep seeing it, and just enjoy your entry when we get there. All right, don't be greedy and think we go up from here, long every bullshit. No, guys, we didn't even have the halving, which is gonna come here, so why would we make a new high? The cycles also make less returns every single time, so we need to have some kind of period, some kind of phase that corrects, that goes sideways, that reaccumulates, that gets the rich people the chance to buy. Okay, this is what I'm doing. My new call is around 34,900, 35k. This is where I'm gonna go in big times. I appreciate you guys. Give me a like, smash the likes. If you want to trade like me, over on BitGet, affiliate link is down below. This is no financial advice. I appreciate all of you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao.